guys, I hope you are all well. I am the founder of TechSort and we are starting a course of 3D modeling. I hope you guys learn it and enjoy it too.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Firstly, we have to know what is meant by 3D modeling. 3D modeling is a digital representation of an object in 3D view. 3D objects are created by manipulating meshes, vertices, and other objects. We can do animation on these 3D objects. We can use this type of animation in cartoons, games, and advertisement purposes. There are many softwares which provide 3D modeling and animation, but they are paid and very complex to use. So we decided to take a free software which is called Blender. What is Blender? Blender is a software which provides all the features present in the paid softwares. You can see the PC requirements below to install this software by pausing the screen. Firstly, we have to download the Blender and install it. For this, you have to open your browser and write blender.org. This is the official site of Blender and here you can download the latest version of Blender. I already downloaded, so let's over to it. This is the user interface and the dark theme. You can select your own theme when you install it. This is the 3D viewport. These are the tools on the basis of the selected modes. You can select different modes, the tool change according to the modes. These are the standard menu has every window of a computer app. This is the object outliner panel, contain all the object present in 3D viewer mode. You can select the objects from here and also by clicking on the eye you can hide and unhide them. This is the property panel such as render property, texture, light, modifiers. We will learn it when we work on it. And at the bottom there is a animation timeline which can control the animation play. This is the animation timeline. We will learn it when we do animation stuff. And there on the top there are different interfaces we use during our projects, such like as modeling, texture, shading, rendering. There is a camera and also a light. We can customize our user interface according to our comfort. We can create different windows by just dragging the line and we can make as much as we can. And we can also change the view of every window individually to see our work from every angle. We also can minimize the number of windows by just right clicking on the midline or by just snatching one window into the other. So let's start with the basic. At the bottom left corner there will be keys I will be pressing. To enable them you have to download a zip file from the Google and install it on the Blender. From this menu you can locate it on this screen anywhere you want, and you can also change the color and the size of the font. You can select an object by just right clicking on it and you can grab that object by pressing G and move the mouse where you want to move. If you place the object anywhere and you want to place it on the original position, you can undo the actions by pressing Ctrl Z. You can also scale the object by just pressing S and moving your mouse according to your need. Also, you can rotate the object on the axis by just pressing R. By pressing the wheel of the mouse and rotating it, You can change the angles of the view mode. You can enable the numpad from preferences. Then by just pressing on numpad, you can change the 3D view mode to front mode, left mode. You can scale, grab and rotate on any particular. As such, by just S and X, you can scale it on X-axis. By pressing S and Y, you can scale it on Y-axis. Such, and by clicking R and X, Y or Z axis, you can rotate it on particular axis. You can also grab or move the object on particular axis by clicking G and particular axis X, Y or Z. You can delete the object by pressing X, and you can add different type of object by pressing Shift A, such as cube, sphere, rectangle, circle. Here you can see in object outliner every object has named, and you can change their name, select, deselect, hide, unhide, outline panel. So these are the basics of the object mode. In the next video we will discuss the edit mode. Till next time, bye bye.